Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wealth and taking a look at the top 5 richest men in India. These business titans have not only made a mark on the Indian economy but also on the global stage. Kicking things off at number 5, we have Radhakishan Damani, the retail king of India. He is the chairman of Avenue Supermarts, which owns the popular grocery chain D-Mart. With a net worth of around $17.2 billion, Damani's success lies in his focus on low prices and high customer satisfaction. Next up is Kumar Birla, an industrial powerhouse. He heads Aditya Birla Group, a conglomerate with a presence in sectors like metals, cement, and telecommunications. Birla's net worth sits around $19.6 billion, and his strategic leadership has made the Birla Group a household name in India. At number 3, we have Cyrus Poonawalla, the healthcare hero. He is the chairman of the Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by volume. Poonawalla's dedication to affordable vaccines has not only made him a billionaire with a net worth of $21.8 billion, but also a global health champion. Coming in second place is Shiv Nadar, the IT whiz. He founded HCL Technologies, one of India's leading IT service companies. Nadar's vision for innovation has propelled HCL to the forefront of the tech industry, and his net worth currently sits around $36.7 billion. And finally, at the top spot, we have the not so surprising undisputed king of Indian business, Mukesh Ambani. He chairs Reliance Industries, a massive conglomerate spanning petrochemicals, oil and gas, telecom, retail, you name it. Ambani's net worth is a staggering $117.5 billion, making him not just India's richest man, but also a top contender on the global rich list. This list just scratches the surface of India's incredible business landscape. Who inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content on business, finance, and the movers and shakers who make it happen.